good? What's good? Hello. There's definitely still sleep in my voice and in my eyes. But today's gonna be a productive day. We have a possible nail appointment. We gotta train her out of getting on the counters. But today's gonna be productive. Got a possible nail appointment. If not, we're gonna be editing, doing laundry, cleaning up. Oh, let me show y'all. Cause I made my food and it wasn't horrible. It's not horrible. My only thing that I feel like I could have done better for sure, seasoning the meat. When it comes to seasoning things that I can't taste while they're raw, I struggle. Not struggle, but this was my first time making this dish, so I didn't expect to get it perfect the first time, but I definitely didn't want to over season it. And since it's in like a stewish combination, I don't think that seasoning it more is gonna help the meat. Oh, and for the rice, it didn't come out bad, but I did part broth, part water. Part broth, part water. So next time, I'm gonna just do all broth and see how that comes out. Cause I'm pretty sure my mom said I didn't even need to add water, and I did anyway. Shame, shame, shame. But it's really because I don't like too seasoned. And when something is too seasoned, I can't think of a way to get it to calm down. It's just ruined. It's just ruined. Delicioso. And to go with it, we got the Hawaiian roll savory butter flavor. I've also been doing good with my smoothies, and I need to make one today. Alright, I want to start working like right now, but I know I won't do the laundry if I do, because it's not separated yet. So that's what we're gonna go do. Yo, I have also been missing the remote for my lights. Like, it's been gone. Where are you? Found it. Order is restored. Okay. Alright, so it is around 4 p.m. 4:15, and it's been productive-ish, not horrible, but I'm gonna run to UPS, swing by the grocery store, come back. Yeah, I started getting dressed for when I go out on my little errands, just so I guess I can presentable. But it's more so just because, like, I be tired of seeing myself in sweats. So yeah, what's up? Last week I earned the worst blogger award because you probably didn't see me, but it's the start of the second week of November, and I got a lot to do. These are the clothes that I washed last week. I need to work out. I need to get food for the week. I need to tidy up. Got a couple nail appointments. We love to hear it. I just need to get my life together. I've had 2 toothaches here and here that have been handling me like with ease. So I just got off the phone. Ow! So I just got off the phone with a couple dentists. I got off the phone with a couple dentists trying to set an appointment. Lovely insurance is capped out till next year, which if it's keeping me up at night, I'm not here for it. I'm gonna keep calling around, but I need to make more phone calls. So I'm gonna try my hardest for this to be a work day. She keep playing with me. I'm gonna try my hardest to make this a work day. What's up, kiddos? Terrible vlogger checking in here. Oh, that's cricket. That's better. So I ain't been handling my business as far as vlogs go. I feel like I've been AWAL for at least a week and a half. I did this before, the first time I tried to do this vlog, and I just let myself fall behind, and that's not what we're gonna do this time. I acknowledge that I've been slipping. I don't encourage it. I'm gonna get that fixed. Today I got me some breakfast sitting over there that I'm finna tear up. I'm tired, I'm hungry. Got a nail appointment around 3 p.m. and I'm probably gonna kick it with Kamari the rest of the day, probably. If not, surprise, I still got them clothes to fold. That I retwisted my hair last night. I might put it in some 2 strands. Some 2 strands twice. She's on everything. Oh my gosh. You see her back there on the nightstand getting involved in things she got no business, but that's okay. But yeah, so sorry for being missing. I don't know what I'm gonna add this on to, because this is definitely, maybe I'll just start off the next vlog with this. It's Saturday. It's Saturday. Vlogs start with Monday. So yeah, I'm gonna try and do better. Alright, so it's almost 2 o'clock. I've been doing lots of cleaning. I'm about to vacuum and then make some guac. I would like to have it ready before Kamaria gets here as a little surprise. You know, she's going through life right now, like we all are. But I want to, you know, do a little something special for her. So I want to make guac. She gets off at 2. I feel like I should have the time to do it. But I'm going to vacuum first and then go do that. I finished the guac. Kamaria's on her way. I'm about to set up for this nail appointment. I'm just gonna kick it the rest of the day. I don't really know what I'm gonna record. So see you when I see you. Hola. I just got back from work. It is Sunday the 14th, something like that. But this is my first time getting off early on a Sunday. It's like 2 o'clock. So I'm gonna try and have an actual Sunday. I'm going to do laundry, editing. I need to cook something. It's been a minute since I meal prepped. But yeah, and then I can actually hop on my family Zoom. It's gonna be nice. Can't wait. But first I'm gonna shower. I'm low-key upset because I really like this set, but I wore it to work, so I can't keep wearing it, but I'm just put on another color.
Off to college, yes, you went away. Straight from high school, you up and left me. We were close friends, also lovers. Did everything for one another. Now you're gone and I'm lost without you here now. But I know I gotta live and make it somehow. Come back to me. Feel me calling for you. 'Cause it's long and I'm lost without you. What I'm gonna do? Said I've been needing you. You're the same and who's been with you? Is your heart still mine? When I cry sometimes, I'm sitting, thinking about you and the days we used to share. It's driving me crazy. I don't know what to do. I'm just wondering if you still care. Know that it's killing me. I know you got another life. You gotta concentrate, baby. Come back to me. Can you feel me calling for you?
Alright, so y'all just saw me make myself an omelet. This is the first thing I'm eating today at the great time of 5 p.m. and it's gonna be delicious. I really feel like I could have stuck to 3 eggs. This is kind of big, but the stuff inside needed 3 eggs, so I just kind of over portioned this for myself. But Ebony approved.
I've been leading you on, and you're the same, and who's been with you? Is your heart still mine? I wanna cry sometimes. I miss you.
Hey y'all, thank you so much for tuning into the video. I am sorry that I was so inconsistent the last couple of weeks. Hoping that I'm back on the right track, doing my best to stay on it. But thank you all for checking out this vlog. I know it was a little short, but the love is still felt. So I will see y'all next time. Be blessed.